Welcome to the PPC Geeks blog. Today, we're exploring SEO versus PPC and which is best for your business. If you're running Google AdWords for your company, you need to read this article. We will explore SEO and PPC and discuss the benefits and potential problems with each, and how to use their respective strengths to help skyrocket your returns on your marketing budget. Some of the topics covered this week are: what is SEO and PPC? SEO versus PPC. Which is best? Which should you choose for your company? And much more. Here at the PPC Geeks blog, our main aim is to be the only resource you'll ever need to turn your AdWords account into the best performing element of your marketing plan. We offer a 100% free Google AdWords audit. Our PPC Geeks have over 15 years experience in executing effective PPC strategies across the globe. So, claim your free audit today, and we will show you how to improve your account to make more sales from less spend.